Is the world witnessing a pause in war or just the silence before a bigger storm? This is SNK Global News, and tonight's top story takes us to the Middle East, where tensions between the United States, Israel, and Iran remain dangerously high. The conflict began on February 28, 2026, when the United States and Israel launched coordinated strikes on Iran, targeting its nuclear facilities, military infrastructure, and leadership. Iran responded with missile and drone attacks targeting Israel, US bases, and Gulf countries, turning the situation into a full-scale regional conflict. After a few weeks of intense fighting, a 2-week ceasefire was announced between the US and Iran. But here's the reality. This ceasefire is already under serious threat. Even after the ceasefire, Israel has continued major airstrikes in Lebanon targeting Hezbollah positions. These strikes have caused hundreds of casualties, raising global concern and criticism. One major issue is that there is no clear agreement on what the ceasefire actually includes. The US and the Israel say Lebanon is not the part of the deal. Iran and mediators say it should be included. So this confusion is pushing the ceasefire towards collapse. Iran has strongly reacted to the ongoing attacks. It has accused the US of violating the ceasefire. It has warned of retaliation if attacks continue to maintain pressure on the Strait of Hormuz, a key global oil route. This conflict is no longer just regional. Oil prices are rising sharply, global trade routes are being disrupted, energy supply chains are under pressure. The Strait of Hormuz alone carries a major portion of the world's oil supply, making this crisis a global economic threat. There is still a chance for peace. Talks between the US and Iran are expected to take place in Pakistan, with mediation efforts ongoing. But experts warn this ceasefire is temporary, fragile, and uncertain. The biggest concern right now, this conflict could expand even further. Israel has stated it is ready to resume war at any moment. Iran-backed groups like Hezbollah are still active, and multiple countries in the region are already involved. This is not just a war between nations. It is a battle that could reshape global power, economy, and also the security. A ceasefire exists, but trust does not. Peace talks are planned, but tensions are exclusively rising. The world now watches closely because what happens next may decide whether this conflict ends in diplomacy or escalates into something far more dangerous. For more global updates, stay tuned to SNK Global News and don't forget to follow our channel.